This is LeetCode problem 167 to sum. Input array is sorted. Given an array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-descending order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. Return the indices of two numbers, index 1 and index 2, added by 1 as an integer array, index 1, index 2 of length 2. So in example 1 here, we can see we have an array of numbers 2, 7, 11, 15, and the target is 9. The sum of 2 and 7 is 9, therefore index 1 is 1, index 2 is 2. We return 1 and 2. However, in normal cases, the index for 2 is actually 0, index for 7 is actually 1. But in the problem description, they specifically mentioned index number should added by 1. That's why we got 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 in the output. Now, let's look at another example. We got an array of 1, 3, 6, 11, and the target is 9. Two-pointer technique will be a very good solution for this problem, which means we first need to initiate left pointer and right pointer. Left pointer should point to the smallest value, which is 1 in here, and right pointer should point to the largest value, which is 11. And then we sum them up. 1 plus 11 equal to 12, which is greater than 9. So now we need to move one of the pointers to get the sum, which is less than 12. So now we need to move right pointer to 6. And then we sum them up again. 1 plus 6 equal to 7, less than 9. Then now we need to move the left pointer to get a larger sum. So now the left pointer should point to 3. Then we sum them up again. 3 plus 6 equal to 9, which is equal to our target, 9. And then now we should return the indices, which will be 2 and 3. Now let's code it up. First off, we initiate left pointer as 0, right pointer as index of length numbers minus 1. Before left pointer meet right pointer, which is while left minus right in the code, sum equal to numbers left and plus the numbers right. If sum is less than target, we should increment left pointer, aiming to increase sum toward target value. We use left plus and equal to 1 as code. If sum is greater than target, we should decrement right pointer, aiming to decrease sum toward target value. In the code, we use right minus equal to 1. If sum is equal to our target, then we should return left pointer plus 1, right pointer plus 1. If we don't find any qualified solution, we should just return empty value. This is the summary of how we solve the problem. Hope this is helpful. And time complexity for our solution is O of n because we perform about n iterations in the worst case, and the space complexity is O of 1.